Let me show you how easy it is to create thumbnails with Thumbnail AI. I'll start by clicking Add Image and uploading the photo I want to use. You can upload a photo of yourself, a product, or any other image that fits your video. Next, I'll add the text I want on the thumbnail. In the Custom Prompt area, we can describe any specific details we want on the thumbnail, or leave it blank. Now, let's choose a style template. I'm going to choose the viral highlight template because it fits the bold style I want. Under Generation Options, I'll keep Nano 2 selected. And because we're creating a YouTube thumbnail, we'll use the 16:9 aspect ratio. Everything looks good, so let's click Generate. And here's our result. Thumbnail AI combined my photo, text, preset, and custom instructions to create this finished thumbnail. If you like your result, just click Download. You can download the high-quality version or choose a compressed JPEG. If you want to change something, open the Mini Editor. From here, you can adjust the text, colors, expression, and other details. Once you're happy with your changes, click Apply. You can also save the design as a template. That way, the next time you create a thumbnail, you'll find it waiting for you under My Templates. And that's it.